Residential mini-split systems are designed with enough refrigerant in them for the outdoor unit, a matched indoor unit, and 25 feet of line set. So the question comes up, what do you do if you have a line set that is longer than 25 feet? And the answer would be to add an additional amount of refrigerant charge per each linear foot over 25. Now, how much additional refrigerant do you add? Simply look on the unit for the chart and it'll tell you, based on the model number and the size of the pipe, how much refrigerant you need per foot. In this example, we need to add 0.16 ounces of refrigerant for every foot over 25. In this example, we have a 40-foot line set. So we would start by writing down 40, which is our total line set length, minus 25, which is what the refrigerant is actually charged for, is up to 25 feet, would leave us with a difference of 15 feet. 15 feet times 0.16 means we need to add an additional 2.4 ounces of refrigerant to this unit to get it to run optimally and have the proper charge. The other thing that we need to do as well is not only refer to the chart, but any mini split system that you're working on, you want to make sure that you have a 1/4 to 5/16 adapter, as that's the standard service valve size on all of the mini split product. Now that we've got the 5/16 to 1/4 adapter, we've got our gauge set hooked up, let's take a look at how to utilize a charging scale to get the exact amount of refrigerant in. So on our mini split products, there is only one service port, and that is on the low side. We're going to use that to our advantage, as we're going to use the unit while it's operating to draw in the additional refrigerant amount. You could also add additional refrigerant amount while the line set has been evacuated to 500 microns and let the vacuuming effect pull the extra refrigerant in. In this example, we're using a charging scale that has a flow-through service valve port. The first thing we would do is turn on the scale, tare it, and now we're going to hit the set button to program how many ounces of refrigerant we want. We've got 2.4 added. We're going to hold down the run button. You hear the click of the solenoid valve. Now I simply open up the low side valve to draw on the refrigerant. It'll continue to run and pull the refrigerant in. And when we've pulled the proper amount of refrigerant in, we can simply then shut down the valve, shut off our scale, and return to normal service work.